Alright, music maestro. Let's go. Hala, Mika, ikaw ma'am, ikaw. Goodbye. Nagagamay. Arjun! Ay, gitu ya. Oke. Saya dance, dance, dance. Ala, wali guys, hindi ko walang music, dali mo sayaw. Go, go, go! Nipinit. Okay. Dance, 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 dance. Ala, wali ni ha. Okay, oh, nasabon sa heels. Alright, so now, everyone, go, 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 team! Let's go, play more items, ready, blue! Go, 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 more items, blue and red! Wow, everyone, Team Red got 27 items! Okay, good job! Alright. No other than Jollibee! Let's go! Alright, Jollibee! So now, Jollibee, happy. Since kaya na naman mo sa atong celebrant and also our beloved parents, mommy and daddy. Okay, so now Jollibee, happy. I hear that you have wishes to our celebrants. Lucas, and Denise. So how many wishes do you have, man? Heart and everybody, ay. Alright, so now, Jollibee, Hetty, since do you have 4 fingers, which means do you have 4 wishes. So we'll celebrate Vinny's and Lucas. Alright, so now, Jollibee, Hetty, the first wish goes to. Hetty, kinsa man gid? Hetty, o Jollibee, kinsa man? Asa man, kinsa man? O, siya na lang. Okay, ikaw daw mo first hatag.
Good health for both Vinny's and Lucas.
Like? Asa man? Yeah! Ikaw nga! Uy! Agree! Ikaw, Jollibee, ha? Kinsa man na, Jollibee? Kinsa na? Oo, pa, Ay, nakay-crush din, ha? Ikaw, ha? Kinsa man na? Ha? Ikaw na crush? O, di na mag-sub. Okay, that, Denise and ito, Lucas will grow up to be prayerful and God-fearing like everybody! Let's go! Okay, so now, Jollibee and Hetty, what is your final wish? Okay, Hetty, final wish. That Vinny's and Lucas will grow up. Jollibee and Hetty for your wishes. I will celebrate Vinny's and Lucas. Okay, hi. Okay, so now, let's give it up for Jollibee and Hetty. Happy birthday, Vinny's and Lucas. You are truly a girl and boy, are reaching your age in enough that you can go. And here we go. Yes. Okay, so now, Mommy and Daddy, can you share a message to your guests? 1, go! Happy birthday, Vinny's and Lucas! Yes! Happy birthday!